You a boss, I'm a boss too. Little baby, when I pull it, what you gon' do? No L's, all dubs, what I'm used to. Quick, can't get this bag, just me.
Ready? Sister. Hey guys, welcome back to Ratones on the
Hustle!
Damn, it's early today to be making a video, right?
Yeah, I didn't even know we were gonna make a video today.
I know, guys. So, as you guys can see...
It's a surprise video.
Yeah, and as you guys can see, we're literally like fresh off of bed. I did want to apologize. I do have a YouTube schedule. It's Tuesdays,
Sister,
Thursdays, and Saturdays.
Told you that I made gelatina, and today we're gonna do pan de bono. We already made gelatina.
So I want pan de bono. So, if you guys didn't know, I do have a YouTube schedule. I post videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. All of them go live at 9 a.m. That just gives people time throughout the day to watch it. And I did want to apologize because today's video is going up way later than that. But usually that is my schedule. And I did want to say Tuesdays I'm making this little segment called Tasteful Tuesdays. So Tuesdays will always be my recipe videos. If you guys love my recipes, if you guys just want to tune in for recipes, hit the subscribe button. Go on my channel every Tuesday, because every Tuesdays will be a new recipe video. I have so many backed up requests, guys, but I'm still taking the requests. Whenever I do have the extra chance to make an extra video, I will make it a recipe video. So for sure Tuesdays, and then maybe one other day throughout the week I can make another recipe, because I know you guys are loving those. So today's video, she actually has no idea what we're doing, and I really do apologize for looking like caquita. So we're making a at-home face wash. Guys, this is literally what I had to do during quarantine because I have no face wash. I need to wash my face. I don't want to get, pimples everywhere. Personally, I'm trying to go more natural in everything in my life, in what I eat, in what I put in my hair, in what I put on my skin. And you guys will be here throughout the whole journey. You guys will see my journey of going from chemical products, just those basic commercial products that we all use. I'm gonna be slowly weaning off of them and going into more natural routes. So yes, today I'm trying out this at-home face wash for the very first time, and if I like it today, I'm gonna continue on throughout the week. And today's more of a first impression. I'm also gonna be doing a lot of series like that, more natural stuff. So for my hair, I will probably be making a at-home conditioner. I don't want to be putting any more chemicals in my hair. I'm actually already on a journey that's paraben and sulfate free. So
I want to do that too.
And silicone free. Right now I already weaned off of all those chemicals, but eventually I do want to have just pure natural stuff on my hair, and I think it's going to help out a lot with the foods I'm eating. Eventually I want to start looking into not buying anything that has fructose corn syrup. All of those things are not the best for us, guys. So I encourage you guys to do your own research and figure out what you can implement in your life to make your life just a little bit healthier. Also, like, subscribe here and follow us on our journey, because anything we do, you guys might like to do too. So today, the way we're gonna test out our at-home face wash is by first putting on makeup. We're gonna have makeup on. We're not gonna try to look cute or anything, because like I said, we're just gonna wash it right off. But we are gonna have makeup on so that we can know if this is good to take off a full face. Let's just show them how we're gonna make it, and then we'll show them how it works. So you guys will need natural raw honey, and that's what we're putting here first. Now, I could give you the measurements, however, today I don't even have the exact measurements. So for things like this, I wouldn't stress it so much. So it should be a 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg. I have my honey.
It's just that
Again, I don't have a lot. We're gonna put some cinnamon. I'm not measuring out today, guys, just because I don't have the exact stuff anyway. But I'm putting some cinnamon.
I'm gonna help you.
So we have some nutmeg.
Oh, smells.
It's a little bit, the portion sizing is more to get like that good consistency. I'm mixing it out. What? Pretty.
I mean,
it looks like a scrub, like an actual scrub. Look at that.
Like chocolate. Or to make you.
It doesn't smell bad. I also wanted to mention that doing things at home are more cost effective. Like, I know raw honey can be more expensive, but in the long run, if you're making your own face wash, it's actually cheaper than buying in the store the commercial ones, and it's way better for you. So the nutmeg helps in two main ways. First, the ground nutmeg will exfoliate your skin by removing the top layer of the dead skin, of course. This exfoliation will help lessen blackheads.
Oh my god, my nose.
And will reduce signs of acne scars. I need that. Nutmeg is also an anti-inflammatory, reducing redness and inflammation. This is great for people in the winter when their skin is like extremely dry. So cinnamon, besides making the formula smell good, cinnamon is an antiseptic that kills germs on your face, which in turn of course reduces pimples. It also helps to bring blood to the surface of your face, leaving the face looking youthful and bright, and we all need that. Besides you don't need that. Honey is antibacterial, which kills bacteria on your face. Remember guys, it's better to use raw honey because raw honey, it's not pasteurized, so it's the good properties aren't really removed. But the regular honey, some of the properties are removed through the pasteurization process. It's also full of anti-aging oxidants that help to leave the skin looking youthful. And of course, if you guys didn't know this, honey is moisturizing. That's amazing. To have that in a cleanser is amazing. Also, we'll be having a video coming up. It's about trying to remove my under eyes. So I already have it made. I will do it for 3 weeks and then upload it so that you guys can see results. I'm just gonna pound on anything. I'm not gonna make it look cute. It's just we want to see how this works on makeup. And if it does not remove makeup, I'm messed up because we don't have a face wash at home. So this better work. Okay, so I have foundation on. Have any suggestions for this little series I'm doing? If you want to know something specific, like at-home toothpaste, at-home, I don't know, deodorant, at-home whatever, let me know because I'm willing to experiment and let you guys know how it works. Like I said, I know for some people this might not be logical because you guys are busy and like this is it. I mean, it could be time consuming to make it, even though as you guys saw, this literally making this took seconds. But you know, for some people it could be time consuming making your own conditioner, shampoo, face wash, hair mask. But I personally, if it works better and if it's healthier for you and if it's more cost effective, for me it's worth it. I have an upcoming video regarding how to grow your hair, so stay tuned for that guys. There's so much coming. Literally I have ideas every day. I have this book full of ideas that I have to catch up on because it's so many, and then plus some of you guys are sending me your suggestions, so either comment them down below because I do read all the comments, or DM me on Insta. Everything will be linked down below. But I take your suggestions seriously guys, and you guys will eventually, whatever video you request, you guys will eventually see it. I'm sorry if it's not like the quickest possible, but it's because I'm like backed up on ideas right now. It's literally, I should have done the no mirror challenge because that's literally what I'm doing. We're drinking celery juice. It looks weird because it's not mixed in right now, but
it just looks colorful to me.
It doesn't taste the best, but it's literally celery and water. The benefits of celery will have you shook it. There'll probably be a video about that.
I hope a lot of people like.
We have a video coming up. I believe it will be posted next Thursday, and that's tasting green juices. And guys, she actually liked them. It's just, I think no matter what, you guys should always be on the pursuit of trying to be healthier for yourself. Literally, like. Okay, I think I'm done. I have enough makeup on. Okay, guys, so I'm in the bathroom. Madeline, I don't know, or didn't want to continue the video. I do apologize. Honestly, I'm going to talk about this eventually because it is Mental Health Awareness Month. but the quarantine is getting to a lot of people. That's why I had a bad weekend. That's why I wasn't able to upload this on time, and I'm actually stressing about that because I love being punctual and I love keeping my YouTube schedule the way it's supposed to be. People are getting stressed out, and I know it's affecting you guys too. I mean, I hope it's not, but it could be. And besides that, just like people who regularly have mental problems, mental illness, it's worse. So like if you have anxiety normally or depression, I know the quarantine can make it way worse. I'll be talking about that since it is Mental Health Awareness Month, and since I do love talking about it on my channel. Yeah, she didn't want to continue to the video. I don't know if she just got bored or what's wrong, but it's fine. So I'm gonna show you how my makeup is. I haven't even seen it, guys. I am very blind. I have my contact lenses on, so I can't see. I don't even know how it came out. But I do have foundation, I have blush, I have highlight, I have eyeshadow, I have mascara. First of all, wash your hands. This is something that people forget to do when they're washing their face. They forget to wash their hands. So it's like you're literally scrubbing all those germs onto your face because you forgot to wash your hands. 20 seconds, guys. It should be like this always, not just because of the situation going on. It should always be washing your hands before you touch your face, washing your hands before you eat. And the next step is to wet the face. Now all you have to do is get 2 fingers and apply like a normal face wash. Ooh, that looks so good. So I'm rubbing it. Again, guys, it's the first time I'm using it, so this will literally be my first impression. Oh wow! So first of all, it feels like a normal face wash or like a normal face scrub. I'm excited because I literally did not wash my face yesterday, which is gross, but like I said, I didn't have anything. And of course, I can order something online, but it'll take a while to get here. So I was like, you know what? I've been talking about doing my own natural stuff at home. I might as well start. This feels so good. I can't see if it's taking it off. You guys can see I can't. Wow, and it smells good. I'm glad it's good for pimples because I had one pimple peeking through yesterday. If it goes in your mouth, it's not like it's some chemical. So like, I tasted the honey and it was not bad at all. I feel like eventually you start feeling much better about using just all natural stuff on your face. You're clean. So this is her face now. It did a really good job of washing off the makeup. Wow, you guys, I literally just looked in the mirror and it took everything out, but it left my skin feeling soft and moisturized, even though I haven't put anything. I'm still wet, actually. I'm gonna pat it down. Hold on. So this is with it patted dry, still no moisturizer. And I did want to say, guys, you can also use just raw honey without mixing anything, and that's also a good face cleanser. And then you can also actually wash your face just with oil, so like coconut oil if you don't have acne prone skin. These are so good just for washing away your face and your makeup. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell button, and I will see you guys soon.